Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my most recent haul from Girl Cosmetics and some other random things I just got here and there. If you want to see what I got, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So guys, I actually had this haul from LA Girl sometime in December, but I was off in the month of December, like I was on holidays. So I couldn't really film the video, but I just had the items hanging around and I just kept them because we can't use it now until we film it. Okay, so from LA Girl, they were having a sale that period. From LA Girl Cosmetics, I got two concealers, two of the LA Girl Pro concealers. I got the shades Toffee and Fawn. Really good concealer. If you know, you know. LA Girl Pro concealers are really good, very affordable. Cost around $7. Normally, I think they cost like $7.5, but they were on sale, so it was a bit cheaper. And Toffee and Fawn are like the shades I use all the time. Toffee is what I always use to define my eyebrows, and Fawn, sometimes I just mix with Toffee to highlight. And then I got two of the LA Girl, is it Galactic eye pencil in very black. Looks just like this. The other black pencil I typically get, like my two favorite black pencils, the Mirac and Mabrook pencils. Mirac, I have I've run out of the Mirac backup I have, and Mabrook pencils, I've not been able to see Mabrook anywhere, so I've just been trying to get one or two other brands just to try out, and so I got two of these. I can't wait to try this out. I also got the LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner pencils. Looks just like this. I got the shades Deep Red and Berry Wine. Like, I love all these wine lip pencils, and I've been looking for something like this, or just a bit deeper. And this red, I'm looking for something that I could always use to line my lips. Looks just like this. Okay. So I got two of the LA Girl Perfect Precision lip pencils. I needed this red, like I was about saying, for when I use my red lipsticks, just to because typically I would use a wine lip pencil, but I saw someone use it and I was like, okay, but I don't think the shade of red is as dark as I would want. But if I can't make use of it for that, I can always use it to like fill in my lip if I go on my red lipstick. And then I got backups of this LA Girl Flat Matte Velvet lipsticks in the shades Snuggle and Hush. They're like my two favorite lipsticks, natural nude lipsticks from LA Girl. And then I saw that LA Girl had these lipsticks that I had not tried, and I was like, whoa, wait. They are called the LA Girl what now? I don't know what it's called. Just LA Girl lipsticks. I don't have my, let's see. Oh, I don't have my, it just came like this. This is how the LA Girl lipsticks look. I'll be putting the name somewhere here. And I got two shades. I got the shades Irresistible and Cutie. They look just like this. The shades are what you see on the cap. I just wanted those nudie pinky lipstick shades. This is the first one, called, what is it called now? Called Irresistible. And then this is the second one, called Cutie. This is cutie right here. Like, I love my pink lipsticks. And I had to toss some of my lipsticks off last year that, you know, I didn't really reach for, that were going bad. Mood was already coming out in some of them. So I'm like, okay, I need to restock, okay? And then a friend of mine mentioned this glue to me. I really couldn't get the Huda Beauty lash glue during the Huda Beauty haul I did because the lash glue was sold out. Like, that Huda Beauty lash glue is the best lash glue in the world, hands down. And I've been managing my classic, like, I just leave that the remaining little one I have for the Huda Beauty one I previously owned. I'm just leaving for like when I have like important occasions, and I've been using the classic lash glue. And I was just complaining, and a friend of mine mentioned this lash glue right here, that it is really, really good, and it does come in a big tube, so that is an advantage. Quite affordable, to cost about 3,500 naira. It's called the Bleu Adhesive Waterproof. It's like an eyelash, say eyebrows and eyelashes special glue. You apply, you leave for 30 seconds to get sticky, and then you apply. I heard it is really, really good. So I mean, this tube will last me for a really, really long time. So I can't wait to try this out. And then the final product I got this brush. I had to order something from Temu. There was this vlog screen I ordered from Temu, and I had free shipping. Unfortunately, when the vlog screen came, it wasn't sticking on my phone. It wasn't pairing with my phone. I had to send it back. Paid money to send it back. But in the process of ordering for that vlog screen, I saw this brush. It's from Mange. It's the Brush Artist Multifunction Double-Ended Design Soft Density Synthetic Hair Premium. I saw that it had really good ratings, and I wanted to get a brush that looked like my Younger Beauty brush that I could use to blend out under eye concealer. It does come with 4 brushes, but unfortunately it doesn't really give that. It's not the same. Let me just say it's not the same at all. Let me just bring out the brushes from the nylon covering. We have 2 brushes right here. Like, this is like a flat top foundation brush. This can be like a contour or a liquid blush brush. Very soft, really, really soft. I've made use of this one before. It's good for foundation, and it does have this part here, added advantage. But I really wanted these smaller brushes because I figured I could use it to blend under eye concealer. Are they soft enough to use? Yes, but like, I wanted a brush. This brush is pinched in right here at the ferrule. I wanted a brush that was pinched in the other way, because the Younger Beauty one looks like this, kind of. Imagine like if you split it out. That's what I wanted. But this one, I don't know. I can always use it to contour my nose or do some other thing. But the brushes are okay. They are soft. I will just bite the bullet and get another one of that Younger Beauty brush whenever I do another Younger Beauty haul, hopefully later this year. So these are all the products I recently hauled from LA Girl, from Temu, Mange, and then this Bleu Adhesive Waterproof Lash Glue. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end. If you haven't already subscribed, please do, and I'll see you again in my very next video. Bye guys.